Highly respected sir, teachers and my worthy class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am standing in front of you to all deliver a speech on an important topic that is discipline. नज़्मो ज़ब्त को अपना मीरे कारवां जानो, नज़्मो ज़ब्त को अपना मीरे कारवां जानो, वक्त के अंधेरों में अपना आप पहचानो. Discipline means to work according to some certain rules in life. Discipline plays an important role for the progress of nation. It acts like a building block for success. Discipline is the practice of self-control. It is something that students need in life. मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुलो गुलजार होता है. Discipline helps students to achieve goals and to stay focused. Students who are more disciplined take more interest in studies. Discipline helps us to be organized and encouraged towards our task. An undisciplined person may not be able to complete his work on time, whereas a disciplined person completes his work on time. Discipline is very necessary in students' life. जो यकीन की राह पर चल पड़े उन्हें मंजिलों ने पनाह दी, जो यकीन की राह पर चल पड़े उन्हें मंजिलों ने पनाह दी, जिन्हें वसवसों ने डरा दिया वो कदम कदम पे बहक गए. With discipline there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. I like to end my speech with these golden words of our great leader Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.